Here, got another package. It says that this is a JBL CSS 8008 speaker. I got the shipping label off, so I'm gonna box it now. So let's move on. Oh my god. Fucking tape. This shit here is very good. It's gonna come out. Or am I gonna have to cut this box apart, which I don't want it to really do at the moment. Since I might need it for storage. Hold on. This is a magnet. So this is a JBL ceiling speaker. It is very nice. It's very light though. But they're not very nice. Yes. Came in good shape. So you have to sit next to a washing